Hi and welcome to Lesson 2 of WooCommerce Local Pickup Plus Configuring Plugin Settings. In this video, I will show you how to configure the settings for WooCommerce Local Pickup Plus. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now click on the Shipping tab and select Local Pickup Plus. Here, you will find all the settings to customize the plugin. Enable Local Pickup Plus by checking the box to activate the plugin. Customize the title. Give it a name like Local Pickup or Pickup Store. Next, let's set up checkout display settings. For choosing locations, decide if the customer can select one location for the entire order or select a different location for each product. For location sort order, you can sort locations by distance, alphabetically by location name, or the most recently added location. Once the details are added, scroll down and click Save Changes. Always click this after making adjustments, and that's it. You have now configured the basic settings for Local Pickup Plus. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.